If you are watching this video right now, either intentionally or by chance, then count yourself lucky, and please watch to the very end of this video, because what I'm about to share with you is what is going to save your career. It's going to save your life, especially if you are a freelancer. Whether you are doing your freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelance platform, this information that I'm about to share with you today is going to save you your career, going to save you time and resources. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can dish Upwork and Fiverr, and you can start getting high-paying freelance clients outside of this platform or any other freelance marketplace. Now, I'm not saying that Upwork and Fiverr is not good. I'm an Upwork freelancer, top rated for that matter, and I've made over $10,000 plus in Upwork, doing over 43 jobs. But right now, I'm telling you that if you depend solely on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelance marketplace, on the long run, you may get burned out to zero, and you may even go broke, because you may lose all your clients and you never get a client again. So that is why I'm sharing this video, because in this video I'm going to share with you 5 strategies that I use personally to get high paying freelance clients without Upwork and Fiverr. So today, if they say no more Upwork, no more Fiverr, I will still continue my freelance business. I will still make money. Okay, so because I'm not solely depending on what a third party or a big company like Upwork or Fiverr to give me clients before I make money or I render my services successfully. So I'm going to share with you the 5 strategies that I use to get high paying clients without Upwork and Fiverr. Kindly like this video and drop a comment which platform you are using for your freelancing career, whether Upwork or Fiverr. Let me know, because this video is going to open your eyes to other ways you can get clients without Upwork and what Fiverr. And before I share this stuff with you, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you need to ditch Upwork and Fiverr for your freelance career on the long term. You can use this platform, but don't make them your number one source for client. And these 4 reasons are going to tell you why. Like I said, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why I want you to learn how to do freelancing, learn how to get high paying clients without Upwork or Fiverr. And after that four reasons why, I will now share with you 5 strategies that will help you to get high paying clients without Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelance marketplace. So the 4 reasons why I want you to learn how to dish Upwork and Fiverr is because, one, you can't trust this big company. You can't trust Fiverr, you can't trust Upwork to keep giving you job for a long term. Because why? They can change the algorithm, and it will make it very easier for your gig or your profile to rank. And if your gig and your profile don't rank, you are not going to get job, or you will find it very difficult to get job. Number 2 reasons why I want you to quit Upwork and Fiverr in the long term is that this platform can ban your account. Upwork or Fiverr can ban your account at any point in time, and you cannot do anything to bring back your account. And even if you bring back your account, you're going to start from zero by creating a new account, which means you're going to lose all your track record that you have been able to work over the years in this platform. So this is also one big reasons why you need to quit Upwork and Fiverr for long term. And if you go online to search about freelancers who have lost their account, you discover that they have been able to build their profile to a very bigger length, but at the end of the day, they maybe have violated one term or another, and they get their account banned, and they have to start their career from ground zero. So that is a very big red flag for you to solely depend on Upwork or Fiverr. Number 3 reason, this platform can change their term and service anytime. So anytime they like, they can change their terms of service. And if you are not vigilant enough to learn and abide by the new rules and regulations, you may violate this term, and of course, you will get your account banned, and that will be the end of your freelance career. So you see, and the last reason why I want you to quit Upwork and Fiverr is because they are increasing the cost of freelancing. Remember, in Upwork freelancing, we used to spend 3 connect, 5 connect to 6 connect to apply for job. But currently now, we spend 16 to 18 connect to apply for job. That means they have increased the cost of freelancing to a higher level. So how is it easy for a newbie to get job in Upwork? The chances are very slow, very less. So the cost of freelancing is increasing in freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr, while freelancing itself is automatically what is free. Anybody can become a freelancer, and anybody can make money freelancing without spending a dime. But when you start depending on Upwork marketplace like Upwork and Fiverr to give you job, then you are likely going to spend more money in freelancing. Freelancing is free, while freelance marketplaces is not free. And with this strategy I'm about to share with you, you are going to enjoy the freedom of freelancing. So without further ado, let me show you the 5 strategies that will help you get job, high paying clients without Upwork and Fiverr. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more updates like this.
So one way to get freelance job without Upwork and Fiverr is to using job boards. Job boards like we work remotely, as you can see on my screen. We work remotely uh, is the one of the largest remote work community in the world. Okay, with over 4.5 million visitors. Work remotely is the #1 destination to find and list incredible remote jobs. So you can come to work remotely and search for what remote jobs and apply to them. So using this platform means that you don't need to use Upwork on Fiverr always to find job. You can also use job boards like work remotely, and there are several other job boards. Alternatively, you can go to Google and click on remote work in Lagos, right? And then Google is going to show you all the remote jobs that you can find in Lagos, right? So you can be anywhere in Nigeria and apply for a remote job in Lagos. That means this company are in Lagos, but you can be in Port Harcourt, you can be in Warri, you can be in Enugu, you can apply for a job and they can accept you as a staff and be working from your current location. You don't really need to go to Lagos. Okay. So if you want to work for a company in Abuja, you can say remote job in Abuja, go to Google, type remote job in Abuja. Then Google is going to show you remote jobs that are currently in Abuja. So you can apply for those jobs. So those job means that you don't really need to be in Abuja to get a job. You can be anywhere in Nigeria, but the company is in Abuja. So this is how to use job boards. So there are several job boards out there, Indeed and LinkedIn job board that you can use to apply for remote jobs. And with this strategy, you don't really need to always depend on Fiverr or Upwork to get job online. Second way to get paying freelance job without Upwork and Fiverr is checking the footer page of company websites. Checking the footer page of company website. So is there a company you like to work for? Go over to their website and scroll down to the footer section and then check for the career page or the job board to see if they are hiring. And if they are hiring, you can apply for the job. For example, now I am on Spotify, right? Spotify website. If I want to work for Spotify or I have interest to work for them, I will go over to their website and I'll scroll down to the footer page. The footer page is the page where you're going to see other information like the company, about us, contact page, advertisement, etc. That is the footer section. That is the down page of every company website. Okay, so when you go to the footer section of any company you are interested to work for, the website, you check for career page. So here they have jobs. So if I click on job, I'm going to see the available open roles in Spotify, and then if it's in line with my skill, and I'm going to apply for the job. Okay, so you can see here, you can see explore all job. I click on explore all job and take me to where all their job is. So you can see that their job is in different continents. So that is how to use this feature. That's how to use this strategy to go to a company website that you are interested to work for, and you go over to their job board and you can see. So they have a client partner friend service. So this one is in Lagos. I mean, this one is in London. Okay. So if you want to work for a Nigerian company, then you go to Nigerian company website and do the same strategy. So this is also what Binance, another company. So I go over to scroll down to the footer page. The footer page, I will look for the career links. You can see the career or job board, whichever name they put it, and I click on it, and it will take me to their own job board for the company. Then I'm going to see their current open roles and the location. So if it's in line with what I want, then I'm going to apply for that position. So that is how you can use this strategy. So if you want to target working for companies in Dubai, then you go to companies who are based in Dubai and go to the footer section. So if you want to target companies in Nigeria, you go to companies in Nigeria, go to the footer section, and then you can see their open roles. You can also apply for the job. So this is a premium tips. I'm just giving it out for you on the platter of gold. So the number three strategy to get high paying clients without Upwork and Fiverr is to use platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram for your what job hunting. Okay, Twitter and LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever social media platform, can use them for your job hunting. So for example, now this is my Twitter account. You can see that I have optimized my Twitter account. Okay, so you can see it's optimized. So other people who are on Twitter, they can also optimize their Twitter account for the services that they render or for their current expertise. And they can also do the same thing on LinkedIn or do the same thing on Instagram. Optimize your profile for the service that you are rendering. So this place are where people are currently in. There are a lot of businesses in Twitter, a lot of businesses in LinkedIn. That means they are clients in this platform. So there are more in other platforms. So if I'm a business person now and I want to hire somebody who is an email copywriter, right? So I'll go over to the search bar and type email copywriter. Okay. So when I go and type email copywriter, Twitter is going to show me what profiles who have been optimized for this service. So you can see here we have Tife email copywriter, we have the negotiator email copywriter, we have Nicole. So if I click on Tife email copywriter, you can see that email, this is what it says: send another email today, add value, make sales. Tife email copywriter, email list manager and copywriter, helping info and digital product owners make up to 60% MRR from emails, tweets, and marketing. Send me a DM. So you see, so is here ready to work. So you can see it's pin post. One of the most valuable skill in 2022 is email marketing. Master the skill and you make as much as $2, $3, $4, $5 monthly from a list of 500 subscribers. So you can see that he's focused on what email marketing as a copywriter, and his profile tells me much that this guy is a good guy who is acting as an email marketer. So I'm going to hire him. So see, so you can use your profile to do the same thing. So even if you go to LinkedIn now and type email copywriter, you're going to get a set of different people shown to you. So these people are currently freelancers and they are using this platform to do their own form of marketing, right? So you have to optimize your profile in a way whereby when somebody comes to the search bar and type email copywriter, your profile is one of the first people to come up there. And the only way it's going to be there is when you are optimizing your profile and you're also actively contributing to the space. And that will also make your profile to go up, and you will become searchable and client to reach out to you directly. And that's how you can also make money online without Upwork and Fiverr as a freelancer. The number 4 way to make money online is through referrals. So you can ask your old client to refer you to their other people who they know in the industry that will be needing your services, or you can also ask your friends to refer you to people who will be interested in your services. So don't be shy to ask for referral, and don't be afraid to ask your client for referral. So just ensure that you are delivering a good job, ensure that your services are worth hiring, ensure that you are employable, ensure that you're going to deliver and make your clients and friends happy and proud of you. So if you do this, you have a good communication skill, you're going to get clients. So like for me, there was one of my clients in Upwork who I worked for, and the person referred me to another client in Upwork again. And that client just came to me direct and said that he was referred to me by my so client. So that was how I got that job. It was two words, referral. So referral is a good way to get freelance gigs, freelance job. People are recommending your services, people are recommending your business. And when somebody recommends you, the person who is hiring you, they're going to have so much faith in your service, so much trust in you because you have been recommended. So this is also a killer strategy to get freelance clients without Upwork and Fiverr. With this strategy, you'll be able to have your own client base and you will not actively depend on Fiverr or Upwork to give you clients. And it's free. You see, it's free. You can decide to tip your friends, okay? That's okay. The last but not the least way to get freelance clients without Upwork and Fiverr is to send cold DM or cold emails. cold DM or cold emails. For example, you can use platform like Twitter or LinkedIn to search for business people profile. So when you search for the profile, like you can see here, this is Andrew Gatzeki. You can see he's the founder and CEO of Acquire.com. Acquire.com, they help over 400 startups get acquired. So you have search for the profile, and you know your services, that your services will be needed by this kind of client. You can then send them a code word DM. So for this client now, his DM is locked. So there's no way I can send him a private DM. So what I want to do is that I can still go over to what his company page, right? Which is his website page, company page, and search for the company email. And then I will send my code pitch. So sending code pitch or sending code DM is also a good strategy to apply for jobs without Upwork and what and Fiverr. Okay, it's also a good strategy to apply for job without Upwork and Fiverr. So when you go to the company website, you can scroll down. You're going to see contact us. So this is the company website. So I can copy this company now, the company email address. I go over to my Gmail address, and then I click on compose email. Then I can now go to what ChatGPT and say send the code email. Send the code email to I go to copy the man's name, copy his name, send the code email to Andrew Gatzeki, pitching my Twitter account management service. Okay, so that means I'm pitching that I want to help him manage Twitter account. So I'll go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to write me a cool template. You can see, so this template, I can just copy the headline and go to my Gmail here, and then I put it here, and then I go here and what I copy what ChatGPT writes for me. I paste it here. I come here and I edit my name, my company, and my phone number, contact, and then I make sure I read what ChatGPT writes to make correction and remove all of these emojis to ensure that it does not alter my proposal. Okay, and also I can add other of my past works, other metrics that I know that will be important for the client to see that I am a good fit for the job. Okay, so this is how you can send code DMs. Okay, you can send it as a code email or you can send it as a code DM. So it's when the client does not the client inbox is locked, then you can use the code email strategy. But if the inbox is not locked, if the inbox is not locked, you can also go to the DM. Okay, but first of all, you have to analyze your client profile to see that what you offer as a service is somewhat needed by the client before you send your code pitch. So if you're sending like five in a day, you're sending 5 code pitch a day or 5 code DM a day. Within a week, you're sending more. You'll be lucky to have just one client, and then you make money for yourself. So don't be shy to send code DMs. Don't be shy to send code emails. These are practical ways that you can use to apply or get paying freelance clients without you depending on Upwork and Fiverr. And I hope this strategy works for you. So if you have any question, drop it below in the comments and I'm going to give you the best fit answer. Okay? See you in my next video.